Kaliang Persya Kongres haka arpotrik nailur, kalaberten ban ujor sya kayeng Sha High Court, lada kamhun ya karai Lamphang kayong daur bartauan, halor kajing mudui Persya, ya kajing let penyasok jong kilaingot ki MLA ke Kongres, sya kaseng National People's Party NPP. Na kaliang ke Kongres kalabu iki artli ki jing mudui, kata kawai ki arngot ki MLA bala suspan ki bakentup ya obat Charles Marngar MLA ke Mauhati, bat ubak Gabriel Watlang MLA ke Nostan, bat kawai pat Persya ya Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ke Umsning, hadian bakila let ban penyesok ila di syak NPP hak kendatrik nailar baladam. Na kaliang unang ilam ke Kongres ubadeiru UMP barim ke Shillong ubak Vincent H. Pala, ulapun pao syakilap thai kebor da kabaong. Kamat bakong san jong kajing mudui hi kalong bangi yeng bait ha kapara 21A jong ka 10th schedule jong riti sensyari. Nyila mudui ha kayeng kasyari jong Lamphang, anda Lamphang ulapun kut no ya kamukot duma, bat ya karai lani kanu kanu kajing pensyai, bat ada ngim senguhun ya kata, ngin let ben kerpat ya kayeng bishar kata Sha High Court. Henry lada ngim senguhun saya karai jong ka High Court, ngin let Sha Supreme Court. Kani kamde kakam ka ba malu mala, kan let Sha kayeng bishar ba halor ong ubak pala, haba benrap ba ka Kongres menta, kadang ap ya ka hukum ba penmi da Lamphang. Kat ba na kaliang ujoin Secretary ka AICC ubak kami ya ka Meghalaya Matthew Anthony, ulabu jing kali halor ka rajong Lamphang kayong dorbar tauan, na kabenta banyaslok bat Advocate General, haswa ban ya karay ka jong ha kabaya day bat kani kapang. Lada Lamphang ulas ngoti kena halor karay ka jong balay ba Lamphang ulapha biang siya Advocate General. Lada ulas ngoti kena halor karay ka jong balay udon kam ya kajing panjingmon na kiriw an, kani kapen iya kajing tulat ni kajing artatin ni jing ting kajing bamla jong Lamphang, baladakan let siya kajing ujor, ula ban ngad ha kajing long jingman kabamyahab na markaray kerki ka jong Jindala Lamphang ulapan jingmut na Advocate General hakapur kajing kerpat ban penyaso kelawan shwa ban shim ya karay ba ula menjur ya kajing penyaso kumtaru manu babakla hangni ay bakaan kan ray ulaong.
We have filed the petition in the court of the speaker. I saw that the speaker also has admitted today and through the media only that he is taking the matter with the AG. So what we have done is that we filed two petitions. One petition is against two MLAs who have been suspended. Because on the 16th when we had a meeting, two MLAs did not come, so we suspended them with the approval of the competent authority. Dr. Celestine came up to 16th and he told us that he is not going to join. Surprisingly, on 19th they have joined. But in the official communications which is there in the media also, they said that they have already offered since 14 and they joined on the 19th. So we got all the officials, so we are giving all the papers to the concerned court. Another petition we filed is after two were suspended, two MLAs remain, Baroni and Dr. Celestine. So when Baroni remained alone, Celestine joined with them. So we thought that we should separate a case of different because the suspended MLA is one case and the non-suspended MLA Baroni is another. Dr. Celestine left and is another case. So the petition was prepared by AICC. Entire this case is taken by AICC. MPCB only coordinating, drafting and everything done by AICC. In consultation with legal cell, here Bakan Pan is heading a legal cell here. He personally went to Delhi, had discussions with the Salman Khurshid and Manu Singhvi, Dr. Manu Singhvi and all our leaders. So we decided the petition we have given. You can get, I think by this time they must have given it in the website, so I don't know what is the practice, but we did file. One is on the 9th 2024 and the other one is on the 16th 9th 2024. So this is the status. And the main points which we stick is with the sections or the para 21A of the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India 1950, in the sense that they are willingly, do away with the membership, which is not allowed. We file in the court of the speaker. When the speaker disposed the case or given any judgment or giving any clarification, if we are not happy with that, and then we go to the appellate court, that is the High Court. So our next steps, when the speaker will give any judgment or any decision, then if we are not happy with it, and they will go to the High Court. If we are not happy with the judgment given by the High Court, then we will go to Supreme Court. So this case is not a small case. This is a case, hopefully it will go to a higher level, to a High Court, or at the most to Supreme Court. So we have filed in the speaker, and we have not done anything in the High Court because we are waiting the response, the judgment and the decision of the speaker. Up to 16, Dr. Celestian came to us. He said that he has not joined. Whereas when the next day, they said that they got a letter from 14th. Why not they declared on 14th or 15th that we got a letter from them? Why not they declared at that time? Why do they have to declare that letter on 14th till the 19th? So there must be something fishy in the office where they have backdated or manufactured the papers. So the court will see on all this.
That's what we have presented it factually. We have nothing to fabricate. Let the ones who fabricated, plead their case. We are very clear about what the organization and what the laws of the land are.